celebrating Skopje's first Pride Parade. From the U.S. Embassy, we have a large delegation that's participating with us. We are celebrating the 50th anniversary of the Stonewall Riots, which started the modern Pride movement. This year, Skopje joins more than 70 countries around the world in celebrating Pride, into LGBTI Pride. And the United States is very proud to be a part of this. There's been a lot of progress here in North Macedonia in the recognition of the gay, lesbian, transgender community, and there's still work to be done. And people need to remember that pride is important, that discrimination doesn't help anyone, and we at the U.S. Embassy and the U.S. government are here to continue to make progress on these issues with North Macedonia.
What is the position of the U.S. Embassy when the Ministry of Health announced that transgender persons would be able to get operations on the cost of the fund, but then they reiterated that they, after the backlash, they said that they will not do this procedure?
President Trump has declared that the U.S. administration will work to decriminalize homosexuality around the world. It's a priority for this administration, and we will keep working with countries around the world to advance LGBTI rights.